One more daw.
Bono, ikaw ang lamingan puso ko. Puso ko?
Okay? Oh guys, I think that's a question. Kayo daw ba ang laman ng puso ni Boss? You're right.
อยากให้เขาสอนแบบมีว่าสอนภาษาฟิลิปปินส์ไหมครับ
อะไรนะคะ
มีสอนภาษาแบบว่า Can you teach me some
Can you guys teach him some Filipino
Oh,
words?
guys, can you teach him?
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Sure.
Diba?
Mahal kita.
Guys,
Mahal kita.
alright. So, I guess that how many times has it Boss? 4 times? I think it paid off. You did a good job with your Tagalog, Boss. So good.
See,
You
now
need
we
to
should
know
go.
Filipino now, so thank you. Guys, okay ba? Mahal daw. Mahal kita. Pero only for Noel. Yeah? Only for Noel.
Okay, tapad na yung...
Alright, so thank you so much, Boss. How about mo?
แล้วน้องวินล่ะคะจะมีอะไรบอกแฟน
Bonos nahulog na ako sa'yo.
Yeah. Alright.
Is that right? The accent is
Alright.
right.
Okay, one more. I think they want to hear you one
Alright,
more.
Bonos nahulog na ako sa'yo.
Ano hindi ata Bono ang nahulog? I think it's Boss. I am correct. Alright. No, I was saying that only Boss actually who fell for you.
ๆก็คือจริงๆแล้วเป็นน้องที่ตกหลุมรักมากกว่าใช่ไหม
ใช่ใช่เหรอ
Alright.
So,
Okay, thank you so much, boys. Ayan, again, there's one last. There's actually one last. Okay pa ba kayo, Bono? Are they doing good with their Filipino? Okay. Alright, but I think there's one last slide.
แล้วถ้าเกิดว่าเราขอฟังอีกสักครั้งหนึ่งได้ไหมจากคุณครูใช่เป็นมีประโยคเพิ่มเติมไหมที่จะเป็นภาษาฟิลิปปินส์ที่จะพูดกับแฟน
Yes.
One, two, three. Mahal kita.
I think there's one more word. Words pala. Sentence. One more. Okay, one more.
Bonos, kayo ang mundo namin.
Sorry, kayo ang mundo. Again, I think one more from the boys.
ๆอีกรอบหนึงได้ไหมประโยคเดิมเมื่อกี้
Bonus kayo ang mundo namin.
Bono. Bonos. Bono.
Kayo
ang mundo namin. Mahal kita.
Alright, thank you so much, boys. Thank you. I guess your Filipino fans really connected with all the Tagalog words. Thank you so much. Nakaka-excite. Meron tayong nasa drama ngayong gabi. And with that, before we get carried away, we'll shake things up with our very first game for tonight. So let's get into our first game. Guess our group.
ก็คือ
Alright.
เราจะมาต่อด้วยช่วงเล่นเกมนะ